In this video, we're going to show you an interior room on the Carnival Mardi Gras. Go ahead and like and subscribe so we can continue to do these and so others can enjoy them too.
This is room 286 on the 16th floor of the Carnival Mardi Gras. We was a little concerned at first for all the noise from the Lido deck pool, but to our surprise, it was well insulated and we wasn't able to hear a thing from the room. Just to help you get your bearings, put an arrow here showing you exactly where room 16286 is. We was kind of surprised as well. We thought it was open and you could just walk through, but it wasn't. There was a door. And you could actually go through that door and up the hallway to the room. You could also come from the elevators or the stairs down the hallway as well, but we typically just used the door. So when you use your key card and open the door, you come on into the room and you're greeted with bathroom on one side, closet on the other, and the bed directly ahead. It is a pretty spacious room for it being a small interior room. It is also very well lit as well.
You can also see the luggage mat waiting on us as we arrived. We're used to a bed skirt around the bed, but this one is missing. As you come around the right side of the bed, where I hit my shin several times on the metal frame, you can see a small end table with a reading light to be used for books at night that swivels around. And right under it is a spot to plug in a USB to charge your device on. And again, you can see the small end table where you can set a device or a drink on at night.
And located in the middle of the bed between the pillows, you can see the master switch for all the lights in the room. I'll go ahead and show you a view from this side of the bed what the entire room looks like. As we make our way from the right side of the bed to the left side of the bed, or my side of the bed, go ahead and see that it's got that same end table as well as the reading light that comes out and swivels around, and of course that USB right underneath it to be able to charge whatever you need to. As Heather said, with the two tiers on the end table, you can set your device or your drink on either one. And again, here's a view from this side of the bed. Notice above the lights on the front door there is a place to put a card to activate those lights when you're in the room. On the other side, when you first walk in, there are two large cabinets with two doors on each.
We're going to open this first closet up to show you all the storage. There's plenty of shelving. There's a safe you could put a 4-digit code in. There's drawers that open up easily. They're configurable.
Yeah, it is neat how they're configurable. You see that metal little tab in the back in the center where you can actually fold the shelf up, lock it in place, or put it down to whatever you need. Wooden hangers and all the different cabinets where you can hang stuff, your suits or your shirts. Something really cool, what you mentioned, Heather, is that they do easily open and close. They actually have that silent close or that assisted close where you just let it go and it shuts itself. See it on that metal one as well as the bottom one, how it kind of closes itself. And it glides so smooth. Let's go ahead and show you that one more time. It just closes, catches itself, and finishes.
So here we're going to open up the second closet and you can see all the shelves. There's plenty of shelves there. There's a big closet that you can hang clothes on. The bottom there is where we stored our dirty clothes. As you can see, we have a lot of storage here. Places to hang our shirts and pants. Plenty of shelving that is configurable as well. The left door of this closet, you can see here, has a full mirror so you can check yourself out after you're ready to go for the evening.
So just after that second closet, you can see there's a vanity. It's got a couple of shelves on the side of it with a phone. Those shelves we just got to put things that we would take in and out, like hats and sunglasses, stuff like that. Down below the table portion or desk of that vanity, you can see there's 3 drawers. Top drawer has a bag in case you need laundry done. We'll go ahead and open up that second drawer, which has a bag in it as well, but this bag is for your hair dryer. So you know you can't bring a hair dryer on board, you have to use that one provided. And notice it does have that easy close as well. Go ahead and show you that one more time. Just kind of closes itself. It is a nice feature, nice little touch. Then a third drawer where we tend to put some of our electronics and cameras and stuff. Now the seat, I'm gonna pull this out for you. Ooh, it's a little heavy. I'm gonna have to use 2 hands real quick. Go ahead and move these towels. It says take me out, sun needed. Those are your pool towels if you want to use them. We brought our own. You lift the top, you got some storage in there, some bed sheets in there. Go ahead and close it. And then we'll take one more look. Kind of see that vanity with that mirror. So now across from the vanity, you'll see the TV with some water at $4.99 a piece and a fridge down below with a trash can next to it.
Across from the closet is the door to the bathroom. As you can see, the light switch is on the outside right next to it.
Plenty of places to hang up your towels or robes, and when you walk in on the right, there's plenty of towels as well. They do have a warning just above the toilet to make sure you don't throw any large objects into it.
Next to the toilet, you'll see the drain in case you get any extra water anywhere. You'll see a trash can and plenty of shelving to put your stuff in the bathroom.
Go ahead and give you a full view of the bathroom here. You can see there's also some tissue paper, more towels, some glasses to rinse your mouth with, and then of course the shower to the left-hand side.
The cool thing about this shower is it does seem a lot bigger than the others, and it has a glass door as opposed to a shower curtain, which most others have.
Yeah, it kind of opens up, mostly to the outside, with a little bit to the inside. That way it makes room and allows you to be able to get around it. Kind of show you that one more time.
In the bottom corner, there's a place to prop your foot to help you shower easier, as well as the knobs to turn on and off the water, a grab handle, a place for your soap, and a removable shower head.
But be careful, there is a warning label between the knobs and the shower head, where the shower actually can get really hot, scalding hot even. On the other side is a place to hang your rag, also a hook for you to be able to pull a clothesline across and hang your swimsuit. That clothesline is in the top right hand corner up there. Just pull it across and hook it. You also have the shampoo and soap that is provided by the boat.
Again, you'll see the shelving here for your bathroom supplies, a magnified mirror, as well as the toilet paper, tissues, the trash can, as well as extra storage space. Here behind the towels, under the sink, you have more storage space. Under that, there's another cabinet with more tissue and toilet paper. And the doors have an easy close, just like the drawers.
Have you been on this boat? Have you stayed in an interior room like this? Let us know in the comments. And stick around because we've got more stuff coming out about this boat. Stay tuned. We go a lot of places, do a lot of things, and stay in a lot of different accommodations.
So like and subscribe to join us on these adventures.